If you're wondering how to use a survey to find your ideal audience, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through a step-by-step process that works fast. And stick with me, because at the end, I'll show you how to get an exclusive free trial of the exact software I tested across all the big names to find what actually works best. Here's the deal. If you don't know who your ideal audience is, you're basically throwing content or ads into the void and hoping something sticks. But with the right survey, you can pinpoint exactly who they are, what they care about, and how to speak their language. The key is asking the right questions, and I'll show you how. First, you need to define what you're trying to learn. Are you validating a product idea, trying to improve your messaging, or just starting from scratch and figuring out who resonates with your brand? Get crystal clear on that, because it shapes every question you'll ask. Next, use our software, linked in the description, to create a simple mobile-friendly survey. I tested all the popular tools, and this one nailed it for ease of use, response rate, and segmentation features. Just keep it short, 5 to 7 questions max. You're not writing a novel here. The goal is fast, clear insights. Start your survey with something super easy to answer. Maybe, what best describes your current situation? Use multiple choice to reduce friction. Then move into more valuable questions, like, what's your biggest frustration when it comes to your niche? Or, if you could wave a magic wand and fix one thing, what would it be? These give you emotional insights. Gold for marketing. Don't forget to ask something like, where do you usually go for advice or inspiration on this topic? This helps you find out what platforms your ideal audience is already hanging out on. Then wrap with a light demographic question if needed, like age range or job title. Just don't overdo it. Once your responses come in, look for patterns. What words keep coming up? What challenges repeat? You're not just collecting data, you're listening for language. The way your audience describes their problems is exactly how you should describe your solutions. Use that feedback to fine-tune your messaging, choose better content angles, and even tweak your offers. And yes, if you're running ads, this will help target like a laser. Now here's the key takeaway. A good survey doesn't just collect information, it helps you connect with your audience. When done right, it tells you who your ideal people are, what they want, and how they talk about it. That's everything you need to grow smarter, not harder. Quick recap. Get clear on what you want to learn. Use the software linked below to build a short, simple survey. Ask easy to answer, emotionally driven questions. Look for patterns in the responses, especially pain points and language. Use those insights to shape your messaging, content, and targeting. Before you click off, make sure you grab the exclusive free trial in the description. It's only available to viewers of this channel, and it's the same tool I use myself. Give it a shot. You'll be surprised how much clearer your audience becomes.